Photo Peach and Why Not to Use by Taylor Kopp and Catherine Bousquet.
So when you first go to the website, it says you can sign up for free, so I made an account. And then when I got in, it gave me this page, and it would not let me create a new slideshow because it's supposed to have a button right there. So then it only let me click on this premium. So then when I clicked on the premium, it took me to this page, and it was wanting me to subscribe and pay money even though it told me it was for free. So I went back and I clicked on Photo Peach for educators because that's the only other button it let me click on. And then once I clicked on that button, it took me to more options for payments, even though once again it said I could make an account for free, but yet it gave me these options. And so then when Catherine tried, this is what she all got.
Okay, so I started back up at the upload photo page, which ended up working on my computer, and I tried to upload a photo. Took me a few minutes, finally got it to work, and I was like, alright, we're getting somewhere. I clicked next, and it brought me to this page. I tried to do a title slide, or a slideshow title, and immediately when I clicked on it, my computer froze, so I thought, okay, maybe it's just trying to upload everything, and then I waited a few more seconds, tried clicking on anything else on the page, and my whole internet decided to freeze. And couldn't do anything with it and had to stop there. So this is definitely not a good choice for someone who wants to make a quick, easy PowerPoint or slideshow for your students or really for anyone.